talk about kale, specifically what kind of kale to use. A lot of people ask me, how do you make your kale chips so good? Mine never come out like this. One of the secrets is that we use curly kale. And this right here is curly kale. You see how curly it is, and it's bright green and so beautiful. Those curls, that is the secret to such delicious kale chips. Because when it's curly, it soaks up all of the sauce into all of the crinkles and wrinkles, and that's where you get the really good kale chip. So if you were making kale chips at home and you're trying to make them better and you're currently using flat kale or dino kale or a different kind of kale, try your chips with curly kale and see how they come out. Let me know. I love to hear. Stay awesome.